Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, okay? Thank you.
Are you tired of having to choose between protecting the interior or the exterior of your vehicle? Introducing BlackVue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your BlackVue to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With BlackVue Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping. BlackVue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Total dashcam protection for your vehicle. Find yours at BlackVue.
4K mirror, dash cam, GPS full touchscreen, 12 inches voice control backup camera, with waterproof reverse rear view camera, night vision dash cam front and rear with parking assistant, support max 128GR batteries included, no brand, ToGuard screen size 12 inches, item dimensions LXWXH 11.2 by 2.8 by 0.6 inches video capture, resolution 4K control method voice 4K plus 1080p dash cam front and rear features 4K UHD resolution. This mirror dash cam captures clear license plates front and rear your Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, 4K plus 1080p, front and rear, 4K plus 1080p, front and inside, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p 3-way triple car, camera, IR night vision, 24-hour, parking mode, capacitor, support 256GB max R batteries included, no brand, Vantrue screen size 2.45 video capture resolution, single front 4K, dual channel 4K plus 1080p, 3-channel 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p supported standards 4K, mounting type suction, mount auto part position rear optical sensor technology CMOS 3-channel front and side rear dash cam. The N4 is a triple channel dash cam which offers 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera. It monitors the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously, with audio at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p, perfect to protect yourself from potential liability issues as well as accidents. 4K and 1080p, front and rear dual dash cam while on front and rear dual recording mode. In addition to a 4K resolution front camera, it also provides a 1080p rear camera that records incidents behind your vehicle. The rear cam is easily 360 degrees adjustable with 20 feet extension cable, works well for cars, SUV, Jeep, truck. The front camera can seamlessly record up to 4K when used alone, enabling clear capturing of license plates and road signs. 4K and 1080p front and inside dual dash cam. You can also configure it for front and inside recording mode to record road ahead and car interior, with 4K plus 1080p high resolution. And the adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing, ideal for rideshare drivers that may need to have proof of what people were doing inside the vehicle. Infrared night vision car camera for drivers with high performance, Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, a big f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens observing road front, f1.86 glass lens observing rear. VIOFO A139 3-channel dash cam for car, Wi-Fi GPS built-in, dash cam with anti-glare CPL filter, front interior, rear 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p triple car, camera, IR night vision, super capacitor, parking monitor or batteries, included, no brand VIOFO, item dimensions LXWXH 4.42 by 1.56 by 2.38 inches video capture, resolution front 1440p plus interior 1080p plus rear 1080p display type. LCD supported standards MP4 mounting, type control method app auto part position rear, Real angle of view 170 degrees 3-channel dash cam. The A139 comes with front camera, 140 degrees, inside camera, 170 degrees, rear camera, 170 degrees, to record videos at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps simultaneously. Built-in Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection and VIOFO mobile app provide access to setup, options, live view of the front inside, rear dash cam, playback of recorded video, and download/sharing of video files. Built-in GPS with GPS logger. The triple-channel dash cam can log the current speed and GPS location. Timestamp can be embedded in the video. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen in km/h or mp/h. Anti-glare CPL included. The CPL, circular polarizing lens, is mounted on the front lens of the dashcam to reduce reflections and glare off glass and road surfaces, resulting in significantly improved image quality and contrast in many situations. Super night vision and 6 IR LEDs. A139 facing inside camera incorporates a 6-element infrared LED lamp, allowing the camera to record cabin activity even in complete darkness. For the protection of both driver and passengers, all the 3-channel dash cams utilize Sony sensors to ensure the excellent image both day and night. Built-in super microphone. A 3-channel dash cam captures the sound to provide solid evidence during police, traffic stops and other incidents clearly, give you all-around protection. It also supports optional, external microphone to meet your all kinds needs, suitable for family, rideshare, Uber/Lyft, driving, taxi driving, vlogger, etc. Voice notification. When you set the car camera or the camera has an error while recording, it will speak in English to remind you the status of the camera, help you properly finish the setup wizard and diagnose issues. No need to worry, it stops recording without informing you. Nextbase, 322 gigawatts dash cam front camera with GoPack, full 1080p/60 fps HD in car camera. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth GPS SOS emergency response, parking mode, 280/360 degree dual 6-lane, wide recording. Our batteries included. Yes, brand Nextbase. Screen size 2.5 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 1.9 by 1.8 by 3.4 inches. Video capture resolution 1080p. Mounting type magnetic mount. Control method touch. Battery cell composition lithium-ion. HD loop recording and 6-lane wide viewing angle. The 322 gigawatts dashcam has been designed to provide high-quality, detailed images of your journey on the road, with the 1080p/30 fps and 720p/60 fps f1.6 lens. The 140 degrees wide viewing angle ensures that a wide coverage of the road ahead will be recorded for fantastic footage. Emergency SOS response, Bluetooth 4.2, and Wi-Fi. In the event of an accident, 322 gigawatts provides ultimate vehicle accessory. On the road, track where an accident happened, safeguard your footage upon impact and allow the dash cam to automatically alert emergency services of your location and for help in the case of an accident. The alert instantly sends your personal medical data such as blood type and medical history to paramedics to aid in rescue. 2.5 inches, high-resolution touchscreen. The small dash cam screen can show your speed or the road ahead. View all your footage on the 2.5 inches award-winning IPS screen, with upgraded picture resolution and clarity for high-quality recordings. The new added touchscreen feature allows you to easily select menu options and playback footage for a great user experience. GPS rear camera and polarizing filter compatible. Easily add on additional camera modules to your Nextbase 322 gigawatts to expand viewing areas including rear view, rear window, and cabin view. The polarizing filter reduces glare and improves overall recording quality. With 10 Hz GPS.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, okay? Thank you.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.